Query then. Upasna from Gurgaon wants to ask a question on Ask Profit. On Ask Profit about Asian Paints. She's bought it at an average price of 2926 and she's got 51 units from a longer term perspective of 3 odd years. Wants to know if she can hold, average or sell at the moment. Shaina, the first half of FY26, the expectation is that paint sector as a whole is going to be under pressure, because of demand constraints, competition, etc. But there was an interesting note by Jeffries yesterday saying that FY26 from the second half is where we are expecting earnings to pick up for Asian Paints. Do you agree with that, and do you think that she should continue to hold and wait for further upside?
Well, there seems to be some bit of recovery in Asian Paints on back of positive broker notes. So I would say that you could, keep a very close stop loss somewhere close to maybe 2,350 and odds. But at the same time, I totally agree with you that the paint sector is going to see a lot of competition. We've seen this M&A activity that has happened in the last couple of weeks, and there I believe is going to add further to the pressure on the average realizations. So while raw material costs may see some bit of softness going forward in the next couple of quarters, I think the pressure on top line will keep the margins under pressure. So I would say Asian Paints, one can switch in my view. You can switch to even something like a Berger. I believe there it looks more attractive if you're looking at a 6 month to 1 year view. And otherwise, I don't, think paint sector is going to do too well as a whole sector as a whole for the next 6 months in terms of profitability growth.
All right. Because of the pressure on pricing, I would think. But a point well made. Shaina and Kush, very good morning to both of you. And thanks as always for taking the time. Pradeep is calling us from Bengaluru. Pradeep, very good morning to you. How can we help you today?
Very good morning. See, I am having 280 shares of Motherson Sumi Wiring purchased at 50 rupees about 3 years back.
Okay.
Now, I am a long-term investor and I just wanted to know, I made a decent amount of around 30% profit.
Yeah.
So whether I should hold on for another 1 or 2 years or whether I should book profits at this stage.
Okay. It's a good question, Pradeep. I'm just wondering whether you contemplated building on your position over the course of the last few years and
I have been an investor for the last 3 years only.
3 years.
I started in 2022.
Yes.
And since then, I have been holding on to this Motherson Sumi.
Yeah.
I had expected a rise which it has given, but I just wanted to know whether I should hold on further.
Understood. Okay, I got your question. China, I'm coming back to you then from that perspective. And Motherson Wiring is the name of the counter, bought at attractive levels. And so therefore, would you book out or you anticipate that earnings trajectory will be positive? Should he hold on? What is the kind of upside that he can expect?
Yeah, so maybe 2 quarters back, we did see some bit of softness. That is because of, they supply a lot to the auto sector, which we had seen softness. But fourth quarter did show, pick up in terms of numbers. The stock price also has moved up. Currently, I would say that continue to hold. From here on, you could keep a stop loss close to about 50 rupees. But I believe that the next couple of quarters will be better, given the fact that auto volumes, at least domestically, are likely to pick up, be better on a YOY basis. So I would say hold at current levels.